Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add comments to a PDF file directly in Google Chrome using Google Drive. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it launches, navigate to the address bar at the top and type in drive.google.com, then press enter. This will take you directly to your Google Drive dashboard where all your files are stored. Now, before you can add comments to a PDF, you'll need to make sure that your PDF file is already uploaded to your Google Drive. If you haven't done this yet, simply drag and drop your PDF into Google Drive, or use the upload button to get it there. Having your PDF in Google Drive is essential because it allows you to use Google's built-in commenting features without needing any additional software. Once your PDF file is uploaded and visible in your Google Drive, locate the file you want to work with. When you find it, double-click on it to open it. This will launch the PDF in Google Drive's built-in viewer, which has all the tools you need to read and annotate your document. Now comes the part where you actually add your comment. Use your cursor to highlight the specific text, phrase, or sentence that you want to comment on. Simply click and drag over the words you want to select. Once you've highlighted the text, you'll notice a comment icon appearing on the right side of your screen. This icon typically looks like a speech bubble and is specifically designed for adding annotations to your PDF. Click on the comment icon to activate the commenting feature. As soon as you click it, a text field will appear on the right panel of your screen. This is where you'll type your actual comment. In this field, you can input whatever feedback, notes, or questions you have about the highlighted text. What's really useful here is that you can also mention someone directly by typing the @ symbol followed by their name. This is perfect for collaborative work because it notifies the person you mentioned and draws their attention to your specific comment. After you've finished typing your comment and adding any mentions if needed, click the comment button to save it. Your comment is now attached to that specific section of the PDF and will be visible to anyone who has access to the file. And that's it. You've successfully added a comment to your PDF using Google Chrome and Google Drive, making collaboration and document review much easier. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.